Say hello to DJI Mic Mini, the smallest mic we've ever made.
Truly one of a kind.
Yeah, you could say that. Enjoy premium specs and features in a compact size that fits almost anywhere.
Now let's try forehand double.
All right, let's go.
It's stylish too, in infinity black and Arctic white, so you can always nail your look. Travel light, Osmo Audio connects directly to DJI devices, giving you crystal clear sound. Mic Mini can handle big sound too, with auto limiting.
Aha, yeah, boy! Aha, yeah, boy!
Distortion, gone, just like that.
See that?
2 levels of noise cancellation keep you sounding great,
都能光彩夺目，自信满满。
indoors and out. When you're ready to take things up a notch, connect to the receiver for a rock-solid connection that can even penetrate thick materials.
Let's take it for a spin.
Ready to go viral?
让你从人群中脱颖而出。这件单
Up to 48 hours of battery life lets you create longer. All of that in a tiny ultralight package. Carry less, capture more with DJI Mic Mini.